Hello everybody and welcome to Zahabiya's World Smoothie with strawberries. So, you know what you need to do before eating strawberries, right? It's the same exact thing before when you do a smoothie. Do you know what you have to do? You need to wash the strawberries. And I've got two fancy spoons here. One is going to be for the honey and one is going to be for the strawberries. You need 10 strawberries in a bowl, okay? So I'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10, but my mum told me to wash more, so I'm going to wash more. Now the next thing is you need to put some baking soda. So I'm going to take my fancy bronze spoon and put some baking soda in. That spoon's used. We're going to close the lid of the baking soda now, and we're going to mix all the strawberries inside. So now we're going to put some salt in.
That's it.
That's enough.
Mix it now.
With this spoon?
Yeah, mix it.
So I'm going to clean as I start the counter. We just need this for the smoothie, so we'll need that. Now we are ready to start the video. So now, for this, we're gonna make the smoothie while the food is cooking. So you need one teaspoon of honey, but I just wanted to use this. So you need a knife. So you need one banana, peeled and chopped. So you need to peel it and you need to chop it. Just like that. Can you see? Just like how you peel a banana, you need to peel it like you do in a smoothie. Oh God, a good banana. Okay. So let's just get everything ready. Let's just take the banana out of there. The banana's out, but let's just take these things off. Okay, now let's just move this thing over there. Actually, no, we'll just leave it here. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it and I'm going to put it in the blender. But be really careful. Knives are proper sharp. So, if you're a kid, you have to get supervised, okay? By any adult, okay? Because you don't want to get hurt, do you? Well, my mum's out there in the dining table, so I can call her anytime, okay? So right now, I'm gonna just start cutting. So I'm gonna cut. Oh God. I'm a bit quick with cutting. My mum is as well. Oh God, I can't cut that out. Okay, all my bananas are chopped. Now I need to put them all in the blender. Even kids can't use a blender, you know that? Because at the bottom is sharp and it might, all the juice will swim out. So just in case, just don't use a blender, please, if you're a kid. Okay? So get ready, put all your bananas in, and then after we're gonna cut the strawberries, put their tips away, and get all the red parts into the blender. I just make sure it feels a bit itchy. Okay, should I get some strawberries? So I need to count them and get them. So 1 strawberry, 2 strawberry, 3 strawberry, 4 strawberry, 5 strawberry, 6 strawberries, 7 strawberries, 8 strawberries, 9 strawberries, and let's find another one. Actually, we'll put this one away. 9 strawberries, and where's the other one? 10 strawberries. So now I need to take the green leaves off. People eat the green leaves, but you guys should not eat it. It tastes disgusting, okay? I haven't tried it, but it actually tastes disgusting. So just chop all the strawberries, 10 strawberries, and put them into the bowl. Make sure the green leaves are not there. It's a bit hard using knives as well. Like that. And like this. There we go. This tip. I'm cutting all the strawberries with care and putting them into the blender. Do you cut strawberries with care? I don't know, but tell me in the comments. Stuff that I've asked you, please tell me in the comments, okay? I like to hear your feedback. Mama! Wait here a minute. Guys, I'm back. The air fryer is just belling. I didn't want it to overcook, so yeah. Oh, the sun is in my way. So I'm going to keep on cutting my strawberries and keep on putting them in the blender. So put all the things in. My mum just cutted all the green parts for me. I don't do them properly, because it's my first time. Whenever it's your first time cutting strawberries, you don't do it properly, do you? Sometimes I make massive holes in the strawberries. This is actually my second time, or I don't know how much times I've done this, but yeah. And guess what? I'm going to put a strawberry on top of my smoothie. Well, the blender's almost full. Mama, blender's full. The milk and the honey. So you need 100 ml of milk. So let's put it all in. I put all the milk in and my strawberries are all nice and wet. All these things out in the way. So now should we start with my honey? Okay, let's get the honey. Oof, this is going to be hard to open. Actually, no it's not. I'm just going to have to put my spoon in and I can't. Just a bit of honey. I need some honey. And I can't get any. I think I'm a bit bad at doing honey. But yeah. I can't do an oopsie in this video. Oh good, I've done it. I need to put it all in there. Honey. Oh God. The honey doesn't taste good. The honey tastes a bit bitter. Hey, don't go on my thing. It's disgusting. Okay, we have to leave that spoon away for a while. And everything's done, so I have to call my mum now. Mama! Done! The fruits are all in. The milk and the honey is in. Just going to pause the video a sec. Now, well guys, this is my fancy looking glass. It's actually for trifle, but secretly I'm using it today for some smoothie. So I'm going to pour the smoothie into the glass. Oh, it's heavy. Should I? Okay, let's take this lid off then. How do you take this lid off? This smells awesome, but now I'm gonna have to pour it in to my fancy looking glass. Now I'm gonna see a strawberry and I'm gonna take it. I want this one. Maybe I'll take this small one here. So now I'm gonna cut it really slowly. That's half cut and just put it on my glass. So it's half cut. How do you put this thing on? I think it's like this. And almost done. Now the next step is to put the straw in. And let's have a look. Ta-da! That's my channel. So yeah, here's this fancy looking smoothie. Should I try it, you guys? It's good. It tastes like... This actually tastes really good. It tastes like a real strawberry, but more sweeter. I meant more sweet. I hope you try this smoothie at home as well. It actually tastes good. Well, bye bye for now. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.